Hand hygiene is critical in fighting the coronavirus. It is the single most important thing that you can do in combating all germs. The need is great for hand sanitizer in the United States at this moment. So we are very eager to find a source, and INEOS is providing that for us with donating this hand sanitizer.
Well, here in Jacksonville, Arkansas, we've been producing hand sanitizer for 10 days. This project came about from a challenge from our owner, Sir Jim Ratcliffe, who saw the need for hand sanitizer as a global issue. And he challenged his business leaders to come up with a process to where we could be producing hand sanitizer for the medical industry within 10 days. And we took it wholeheartedly. We looked at the chemical characteristics, the production equipment required to do so, and the safety regulations that would be required to safely manufacture this much needed product for the medical industry.
So today we're here at the Dublin, Ohio headquarters for INEOS Composites. This is the site that's really doing the development work for hand sanitizers. We're following the WHO formulation that is also supported by both the CDC and the FDA to support the epidemic.
We've been using the World Health Organization formulation that's primarily composed of isopropyl alcohol. We also add in water, hydrogen peroxide, and glycerin. We have those raw materials here in our facility that we've been able to source, and we blend those together into containers that are appropriate to distribute.
We were able to connect with a group called Healthcare Ready, and they're providing us a great channel to ensure that we're getting our product to where it's needed most.
And Healthcare Ready, we help coordinate donations and offers of assistance for health and medical needs during disasters. We were able to work with INEOS to identify the hospitals across the country that had the greatest need for the hand sanitizer. What's incredible about this donation is that the large scope of this donation, it's not just a stopgap or a short-term solution. We'll set them up for days or weeks on end, which will in turn allow staff not to be worried about where the next round of sanitizer is going to come, or if it will be there the next day when they show up to work.
We consider the healthcare workers as the heroes on the front line. The first responders and medical professionals need this sanitizer to be able to do their duty in their jobs and take care of the patients that they're seeing.
So at Arkansas Children's, we're managing our equipment and supplies pretty well. With that being said, donations such as this hand sanitizer from INEOS are just critical in ensuring that we can have that confidence in providing hand sanitizer to our teams who are providing care to our patients and families. So it's extremely important.
For our frontline staff, having the support of companies like INEOS is incredibly important, and they're providing an asset with hand sanitizer, something that everyone uses here every day. As they say, we're all in this together, right?